Good morning, guys. So it's Thursday here in South Korea. It's morning. So pupunta na tayo sa work, and as usual, dadaan tayo dito sa cherry blossoms. So from my house, maybe 2 minutes away. So let's go. Join me. Just a minute. So ayan. Pupunta na tayo sa cherry blossom. That's the cherry blossom. Ganda, no? Mas maganda siguro kung center natin. Yan. Ito siya center. Alright. So, yung ibang tao, lagi nilang pinupuntahan yung malalayong lugar just to see cherry blossom. Ako ito lang. Yan lang, nadadaanan ko lang siya. So, I don't have to travel too far. Ang ganda niya tingnan. Parang, you know, just cherry blossom is just our life. So, magbo-bloom ka, and then when it's spring, you will bloom, and then it will turn to green, and then sa autumn naman it will turn brown, then they will die. Sa spring they will start to grow again. So it's just like our life. So that's why people like it. It reminds them sa reality of life. But it's just so beautiful. Masyado siyang mahaba. From the start dun sa malapit sa bahay ko, at dun pa siya sa dulo. So hindi ko maipapakita sa inyo ang dulo kasi maglili ko na ako banda rito kasi that's my work. Ganda, diba? So amazing. God's creation. We'll just wonder how they change colors. Very last week color white siya, ngayon color pink na siya, but baby pink, something like that. So beautiful. So that's it, guys. So doon sa dulo, but then I have to turn here. Wala dito eh. There's a part naman na mayroon, but you know, it takes time. Maybe it will take 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but if I will do that, malilate ako sa work, so maybe later. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching.